Okay, hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. Today an unboxing video on this beauty. Stay a while and listen. I know guys, people just asking me to, review some stuff, and in this period I'm very interested in laser cutting, and yeah, I'm using little machines. These are very affordable, very cheap, and yeah, in this episode we will open this little baby. It's an AlgoLaser, and yeah, I want to see what we have in our hands. Let's check it out. Much love in this packaging. We are upside down. So, Alpha, engraving and cutting solution for your business. Okay. Oh, it's quite an elegant packaging. Look, very nice. What is this? I'm brutally opening everything. Okay. We have some MDF here. It's quite ruined. Okay, I like it. Honor produced B. Shintao. High quality, okay? Yeah, some accessories. Oh, this is interesting. I don't know. Okay, let's opt for some instruction manual. And this one also, it's quite heavy. And indeed, it's the guarantee certification of conformity. It's very important. See? Two of them. Another certificate. This is the promo codes stuff. And this is the quick start guide. Seems very complete actually. There is a step-by-step stuff. Okay. Come to the table. Okay, seems very clear, I hope. This is the laser. How to use. Nice. Consumables package and user manual. This is another panel, very nice. And let's open this beauty. Voila. Wow, seems quite massive, quite heavy. No, it's not. It's aluminum. It's very light. I like it very much, actually. Okay, this is more complex. See? Very nice. I like that these have this feet that are levelable. Okay, some fancy laser glasses. Nice stuff. Okay, nice. This is the power supply. Okay, power transformator. Go on. What we have here. This is very nice, very professional. Okay, we have all the stuff, screws and stuff for assembly the machine. This I like very much, it's very professional. I will use this box. Very nice. Something else? I think we don't have anything else. Okay, that's it, that's all. Let's put all the plastic inside. I'm gonna keep everything. Very nice. I completed the installation with the air pump, which has an interesting valve here, and it's also there is a practical switch. Let's see. It's quite noisy, but not so much. And now, okay, let's turn this off for now. Basically, we have a circuit of the pump. It is going directly on the 10-watt modules, but let's turn this off for now. It's beautiful. As you can see, we have a emergency stop. For safety is very practical, and there is a key. So basically, without the key the machine cannot work. Okay. Now, if everything is correct, I will turn on the key and the laser will go in a 0 position. Let's go. Let's check it out. Yeah, perfect. Okay guys, the machine is ready. Now I want to understand how to connect it with my PC, because there is no software included, but this should be very simple to connect via Wi-Fi. So yeah, let's try this and then we will come back here on the table and we will cut some shingles. See you in a bit. Okay guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you very like this video, remember to subscribe to the channel. Till next time, happy crafting!